Everyone, I am doing a quick one for you today, and in this video today I am showing you how to make money with Grow Network. Grow Network review, what it is and how it works. Grow Network is a mobile entertainment app. Android version was launched in late July 2025 that allows users to earn gaming coins by playing mini games, checking in hourly and inviting friends. There is no financial investment required, just your time and engagement, and then your data also. The app is free to download, around 22 MB or less, and has gained tens of thousands of daily users thanks to its lightweight interface and game-like reward system. I got to know about this Grow Network just today, and my wife sent the link for me to join to me, and some other people who are with me in the crypto space sent the link for me to join. And then after some studying of it, I have joined today, and I am introducing you to it and so that you can start at the same time. I don't want a situation whereby I will have gone far in the project, then I'll be calling you into it. By that time, a lot of things will have happened. And that is why today as I'm starting, I'm also inviting you to join so that you can be able to take part in it. The key features of Grow Network are as follows, and the benefits. Number one is hourly gameplay rewards. Users can play simple games every hour and earn coins or badges for consistency. Then there's referral bonus. You earn additional coins by inviting others. Your network expands as your influence grows. Then built-in wallet and stats. The app includes a wallet for tracking coins and a live network tree for measuring your engagement and invitations. Secure and lightweight. That's number 4. It is designed for low-end devices. The app doesn't run background processes and promises a safe experience with minimal permissions. Now, what do you watch out for in this app as you go on it now? Number 1, there is unclear tokenomics and exchange information. You know, it's just starting in July. And we are now in early August. Today is August 5. This is August 5. I just started this in July, around ending of July, so about 10 days ago or so. So there's no clear information about tokenomics and exchange info. Although some reports suggest a native token, GNet, with an initial listing price around $0.1. Trading details and liquidity remain unverified, making full value uncertain. So there's uncertainty about the value of the coin or whatever as at the moment. You know, most of the crypto airdrops that we do, there's usually uncertainty at the start. It is later on that this thing begins to become certain. Then there's limited transparency. The platform's team structure and regulatory status are not clearly documented, raising concerns for those seeking long-term trust. Then number 3 is speculative hype versus utility. Similar to Pi Network's early days, Grow Network relies heavily on promotion and referral momentum. Its true sustainability will depend on revealed utility, merchant adoption, and reward use cases. Now, I'm going to give you a final verdict before I go so that you can quickly start to mine it using my referral link. My referral link is 1DAFID, 1 as in figure 1. 1 as in figure 1, not ONE, just 1 figure, then DAFID, DAFIDI, small letter, 1 DAFIDI, 1 DAFID. Now, if you are looking for a gamified, no investment engagement platform that rewards consistency and referrals, Grow Network offers a simple and fun experience, but approach with caution. The long-term value of its token is still unproven. This app isn't a guaranteed income stream. Instead, it's a potential starting point for future utility, assuming the team delivers on transparency and also on ecosystem growth. So what you are saying is that how it's going to go, nobody knows at the moment, but we are optimistic that everything is going to be fine with time. But how it's going to really go, how everything, there is no sort of white paper, but you trust me. Maybe later today, I will do some other research on it. I'll play with the app and then bring you information. Essence of this video is that Don't waste time. Jump in immediately. Somebody said, when you are told about an opportunity, first of all, hang on, go in for the opportunity, and then later you can be asking questions whether the opportunity is this or is that. But the first thing you should do, go into the opportunity, take advantage of the opportunity. Then later on, you can be asking and finding out what other things you should do. So this is your opportunity. Please go on it, use my referral link, and quickly download the app, and let's start playing with it. By tomorrow or thereabout, I'll bring you more updates on this Go network. Don't sleep on this one, and don't play with it. I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share your link of this video to family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. My name again is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and I bring you content on this channel on how to make money online and offline. So this Go network is like a crypto, and then it's a crypto actually, and the airdrop, and then it's going to manifest in due time. When exactly, we are not sure. Some people are saying the next 30 days or so, but I don't think so, because a lot of things are still unknown. So please, let us start early. Let's start early. Don't wait till later. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.